So ChatGPT can help content creators immensely. Here is one of the things that I learned recently. It can actually give you feedback on your thumbnails. Now I have ChatGPT Plus. Go ahead, click on the plus arrow, upload from computer, and let us go ahead and use, this is just a quick little thumbnail that I created in Canva. It has my Samsung tablet, the keyboard, and just some words here with 2 arrows. Let's go ahead and click on upload. And the great thing about ChatGPT is the questions that you ask it, and it is absolutely amazing. So let's go with, based on this thumbnail, I am trying to reach, let's go with users about how to turn your Samsung tablet into a laptop. Please give me more feedback on what I can do and get the person, let's go person's attention to click on the video. Okay, perfect. So now obviously ChatGPT relies heavily on the question. So I say, based on this thumbnail, I'm trying to reach users or scrollers on YouTube about how to turn your Samsung tablet into a laptop, which is basically what this thumbnail is trying to portray. I asked it to give me feedback on what I can do to get the person to click and basically stop scrolling. So let's go ahead, put this into ChatGPT and see what it comes up with. So let's go ahead here and let us look at the feedback so far. So it says this is a solid start. All right, it's well lit. And okay, it has some suggestions here. So it tells me what's good. Clear subject, Samsung tablet, keyboard. It has the arrows and a simple distraction. Now, this is where ChatGPT comes in. It tells you can use bolder, more attention grabbing text. So I guess I can take these, this text here, make it a little bit more bolder, a little bit wider, which is good. Okay, and what's great is that it gives you some suggestions here that you can put. So that is pretty interesting. Tells you you can do a highlight glow behind the tablet and other options as well. Vision expands the, okay, so this is pretty good actually. Make it more mobile friendly. Yes, it's thinking about a lot of the individuals who use YouTube and they're mainly on their phone. So this is really good. Oh, okay. Bonus tip as well. So yeah, overall, this is just something that I stumbled onto. You can use ChatGPT to really help you with your thumbnails. So yeah, I think this is good. Obviously, you'll still want to probably watch some other tutorials, but if you're a person like me that has limited time, this is a really good start. ChatGPT Plus, as long as you have the Plus version, it could give you great feedback and good analysis. And obviously over time, with the better questions that you ask ChatGPT, it can provide you with more suggestions, more feedbacks. You can probably, once you do implement these improvements, you can go ahead, upload it to ChatGPT again, ask it to compare it to the first photo, probably give it a rating out of 10, something like that, and away you go. So this is Sean Sims Tech, just trying to help more people out there. Hope you found this video helpful.